So I think what we should do is see how long it takes me to put these together, because we know it's going to be like 3 hours.
Hello, YouTube.
Oh. It's so heavy. Let's have a look. So, what? Ooh. Oh, God. 2 parts. Let's open this one. Scissors. And there's a note. To that girl biker, you are the bestest that girl biker in the whole wide world. From Ride It Right. I'm joking, it's just an invoice. Okay. It's big. Oh. Next box. Ta-da! So let's start with hi. Hey. Come on here then. Nah. Bye then. Start with this one, the little one. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, okay. So what do we have? We have instructions. So this is a front paddock stand. There is a lot of parts. Next box. We have a rear paddock stand with not as many parts. So it has got diagrams, so I think what we should do is see how long it takes me to put these together, because we know it's going to be like 3 hours. Put a guess below, see how long it's going to take me, and I will time lapse you now. Let me get my glasses and let me get my toolbox. Will I need a toolbox? We're gonna go with a toolbox. Bye. Ta-da! So we're gonna do it on a mat because I've got tiled floor and I'm probably gonna send a part flying, so mat it is. So the time is 3:30. Let's see how long this is going to take. Let's go. Can we just say that's a little bit fancy? So we are at, oh, why isn't it focusing? I'll just tell you, we are at 15:43, so 10 minutes. Oh. to put a front stand together. Now I would say that's pretty impressive actually. So we've got some springs on here. Woo! This actually, on the instruction sheet, it didn't say about springs. So I've just put an educated guess on that they're for here. Wheels are on, they're nice and secure. And it feels pretty solid, I'm impressed with that. 10 minutes, it's quite heavy. But 10 minutes to put a front paddock stand together. And I've never done it before. I've never even owned a front paddock stand. So I am very happy with this. So now we're going to do the rear paddock stand, and we're going to try and do it in less than 10 minutes because I feel like that's a reasonable challenge. So let's get this out the road. Right, get all this out the way, and no spare parts, no spare bolts, which we know I'm notorious for always having spare bolts, but there is none of that. So put these tools back. Keep the Allen keys out because I'm guesstimating that we're probably going to need them. Right, next box. Fighting for my life already. Motorcycle rear stand. So, oh, it doesn't like it. There we go. So the time is 15:45. Do you know what? Can I just do it with? Oh, there. Let's go. And the snazziness is a little bit different on this one. We've got a different location. But that looks pretty awesome. So there we have it. She says. There we have it, 52. So it took me 7 minutes to put the rear stand together. Now, the rear stand came with this fitment, the little hook. Let me try and, can you see? The little hook. And it also came with these ones. And they just have a little bit of a screw knob there. So it came with both options, which awesome. I just put these on just because this is a style I've used before with the Gixxer. So we're going to stick with that. So tools required, I needed a 5 and a 4mm Allen and a 13mm socket. So the 5 and the 13mm was for fitting the wheels, and the 4 was for putting the bolts in the bottom. But it came with all the washers and everything required. So I am extremely happy with that. So like what, 17 minutes to put two stands together. So here comes the fun part. If you've seen my videos before, if you've watched me for a while, you'll remember the incident when I put my Gixxer on a rear paddock stand, and do you know, I'll just play it for you. Here you go. So mistakes were made. 2 reasons that went wrong: user error, i.e. me, and 2, it was a bit of a janky stand. I don't know what brand it was. So I'm a little bit nervous about using this after obviously that's happened. So we will give it a go, not today. I do need to adjust my chain on the Gixxer. So these have arrived in like the nick of time. And of course I'll record it, so if it goes terribly wrong, then you're here for the ride. To ride it right. See what I did there? Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and give me some handy tips on how to safely put my bike on rear and front paddock stands without it ending up like this.